Hold on.
17 animals, horses, bulls, and cows, had to be rescued from being stuck in the mud at a California farm after it rained for several days. Rescuers used ropes and animal sleds to get the first 6 to safety. Once the large animals were in good hands, then the smaller ones were rescued. A skid steer cleared a path of the mud in order to free the 11 remaining. It took about 5 hours for the entire operation, according to the LA Times.
Hold on, slow.
From here, the farm animals were taken to an animal shelter to be evaluated by veterinarians. This is Inside Edition Digital.